Hello students, now we will continue our chapters. Before continue our chapters, I want to say something. Students, first you will see the video, after that you will read that chapter page number wise which I have given in your home assignment, because this helps you to understand the chapter clearly. Now I will continue my chapter. Let's start. Condition is true. All statements are executed until when keyword is keyword. While loop syntax is while, then code, then when. Thus we can say BASIC also provides to create a conditional loop by using while when. The while statement directs the control to check a condition for the process to be repeated, and the when statement returns the control. The loop terminates when the condition of the while loop becomes false. If the conditions are true, that it will be executed. Follow these steps to use while when loop. We are making, by example, I is equal to 10 while I greater than 5 means the loop will be executed greater than 5. Print hello I is equal to I minus 5 means 10 minus 1 9 times. When this is the now next is do while loop. It is another type of looping statement in QBasic. Sometimes it is also called do while loop. In this loop, the instructions within the loop are performed if the comparison is true. We can use this loop by 4 different methods. Do loop syntax are: first syntax do, then statement, while, then statements. Syntax to do, then statement, loop, while, then condition. And third syntax do, until, then statement, then loop. Now fourth syntax do, then statements which we are writing, then loop, until. So we can say QBasic also helps to create a conditional loop by using the do while loop, where the do statement directs the control to check a condition for the process to be repeated, and the loop statement returns the control. The program terminates as soon as the condition of the do while loop turns false. Thus, we can say that the do while loop performs the task in the same way as while when. Now, by a program, I will explain you. Suppose I am making a program, write a program to print the natural number from 1 to 10. And we will use do while loop for doing this program. First, as you know, CLS, and this is a number we will start from 1 so that n is equal to 1. Do print n. Now we will print the n. N is equal to n plus 1 because we are printing the natural number. The natural number as 1, 2, 3. So that 1 plus 1 became 2. Then 2 plus 1 became 3. Then 3, because n is changing. First n is 1. Then 1 plus 1 became 2. Then 2 plus 1 became 3. Then n became 3. 3 plus 1 became 4. So, then loop while n is less than and equal to 10, because we will print to till 10. So that while n is less than and equal to 10, it will not greater than, because we want till 10 here, so that we will write n less than is equal to 10. Then we will end the program. When we will press F5 or we will write run, then the output will come in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because we are printing natural number from 1 to 10. Hope you all understood this program. You can print the natural number here. You can print the natural number from, if you want to start that number 21 to 30, then you will write n is equal to 21. Do print same one. Same, then n is less than and equal to 30, because we are printing that till 30 there. Only here and here we will change, otherwise complete program will be same. Now next program, write a program to print the numbers from 20 to 1 in descending order. In previous program, I have printed the number 1 to 10. But here we are printing the number in descending order 10 to 20 to 1. Then same way CLS. Now we will write n is equal to 20 because n started from 20. In previous program n started from 1, so that we have written there n is equal to 1. But here we are starting from 20, so that we will write n is equal to 20. Do, then print n. Now n is equal to, because we are printing descending order, so n minus 1 means 20 minus 1 became 19. Then 19 minus 1 became 18. Then 18 minus 1 became 17. Till 1. Now loop until n less than 1, means n less than and equal to 1, means the value will be less than and equal to 1, because we have printing 20 to 1, so that it will print 20 to 1 here. Now next program, write a program in QBasic to display the table of 5 by using the do while loop. When we are printing the table, then we will write CLS I started from 1, do while I less than and equal to 10, because we will print the table, and table started from 5 multiply 1 till 5 multiply 10, means 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 and 5 10 ja 50. So that we started from 1 till 10. Now print 5 multiply I. This is the I became 1. So 5 multiply 1 is equal to 5. Then I plus 1 means 1 plus 1 became 2. Now 5 multiply 2 became 10. Then 2 plus 1 became 3. Now 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15. Till 10, the loop will be go through till 10. Then loop now end. When we will press 5, the output will become like this. We can print, if we want to print the table of 7, then you will write I is equal to 1, same way. Do while this is also same, but you will change only here. You will write 7 here. Then it will print the table of 7. Same way we can print any table, any numbers table. Now next program, write a program in QBasic to display the first 10 terms of the series. Now we want the series will be like this by using do while loop. Series started from 1 and till 10 terms it will going through. Here I have written only 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Dash means till 10 terms it will be going through. Same way CLS I started is equal to 1, because 1 is started from here, so that we will write I is equal to 1. Do while I less than and is equal to 10, because 10 terms we want, so that I less than and equal to 10 we have written here. Now print I exponent 2 means I power 2, because 1 first 1 power 2, 1 multiply 1 became 1. Now 1 plus 1 became 2, 2 power 2, 2 multiply 2 became 4. Then now 2 plus 1 became 3, 3 power 2 means 3 multiply 3 became 9. Then 3 plus 1 became 4, 4 multiply 4, 2 times we will multiply 4, because this is the power. So that 4 multiply 4 became 16. Same way this will become, by mistake I have written this is wrong. This is wrong. This will become 5 multiply 5 25. Then 6 multiply 6 36. Then 7 multiply 7 49. Then 8 multiply 8 64. And 9 multiply 9 became 81. And 10 multiply 10 became 100. Till here, right? These are the mistakes here. So that 25, then 6 multiply 6 36, 7 multiply 7 49, and 8 multiply 8 64, then 9 multiply 9 81, then 10 multiply 10 became 100. Series will be like here. Now next program, write a program in QBasic to display the first 10 terms of the series 3, 6, 12, 24 by using do while loop. CLS started from 3 so that I is equal to 3. Do while 10 terms, so I less than and is equal to 10. Print I multiply 2 means 3 multiply 3. First 3 will be here, then 3 multiply 3 became 6. Then 6 multiply 2 is equal to 12. Then 12 multiply 2 became 24. Like this 10 terms will be here. Same way, now next program, write a program in QBasic to display the first 20 terms of the series do while loop. This is the table of 8, but it will going through 20 terms. So that I started from 1, do while I less than or is equal to 20. We will write here, now print 8 multiply I. First I means 1, 8 multiply 1 became 8. Then I plus 1 plus 1, 8 multiply 2. Then 8 multiply 3, 8 multiply 4, 8 multiply 5 till 20 terms it will be going through here. Now next program, here this term we will use while when loop and we will write 20 terms by using, and the series is like this. CLS C is equal to 1 because it will, the C value will come 1, and A is equal to 5 because it will start it from 5. So while C less than and is equal to 20 terms we are using, print A. We will print the value of A. First A is 5, then A is equal to A plus 7. 5 plus 7 is equal to 14, and C plus 1 means next terms, next line. Then this is the 12, then 12 plus 7 became 19, and 19 plus 7 became 26. Till 20 terms will be printed here. Then when press F5, the output will come like this. Now program number 8. This program we are also using while when loop. 10 natural numbers we are factorial of 10. We will find product of first 10 natural number means multiply by. CLS P is started from 1 and factorial is also started from 1, while P less than and is equal to 10. Now F is equal to F multiply P, yani first number 1 multiply by 1, and next P is equal to 1 multiply 1 became 1. Now P plus 1 became 2. 1 now F is equal to 1. 1 multiply 2. Then it will be 2. 1 multiply 2 became 2. Now this will 2. 2 multiply by 3 became 6. Till it going through 10 natural numbers. Then when print the factorial of 10 is equal to F. The number which we after multiplying that the number is this, and then press F5, the factorial of 10 will become like this because this is the product of the 10 natural numbers. So the answer will be like this. Students, hope you all understood this program. If you have any problem, you can ask me. In my last video I have done some mistakes. In that video some disturbance are coming. Hope you understood my problem. Now you will complete your work on time. If you have any problem, you can ask me through mail. Thank you.